Hello everyone, I'm Ahden Sang Ramadan, a member of Bangkit Academy batch 2 2023. I'm thrilled to share a glimpse of my journey with Bangkit so far. Bangkit Academy is meticulously crafted to equip students with sought after skills and background certification, offering three exciting learning paths such as machine learning, mobile development, and cloud computing. Over the past 3 months, I've delved into the intricacies of the machine learning path, gaining valuable insight into Python coding, mathematics for machine learning, and TensorFlow development. The best part? Our lecturers are not only experts from diverse companies, but also exceptional in making complex concepts clear and engaging. In addition to technical expertise, Bangkit Academy emphasizes soft skills. I've owned crucial abilities like time management, project management, and even improved my English proficiency through their dedicated language program. The holistic approach ensures that I'm not just acquiring technical knowledge but also developing well-rounded skills essential in today's workplace. For those curious minds out there, Bangkit Academy Batch 1 2024 is now opening for enrollment. Joining this program means immersing yourself in an environment that not only impacts technical know-how but also foster personal and professional growth. By the end of the program, you will emerge well equipped with tech expertise, soft skill, and English proficiency needed for a success transition from academia to the workplace, setting the stage for success at top tier companies. So, don't wait any longer. Click link in the description box here, g.co/Bangkit. Seize opportunity to shape your future with Bangkit Academy. Thank you.